Good morning. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog and welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Hello, how are you? Yeah, so guys, literally I'm starting the vlog today and today's a Sunday. I don't even know what my intentions are. Anyway, so I don't know, man. I've been having like a really busy week. Plus I posted my last vlog on a Thursday, so that kind of messed up with my schedule. I don't even know what I'm gonna do, like seriously. My friends won't answer their calls. I was supposed to go for breakfast. Spur has this breakfast special thing for 25 bucks. Imagine, with a coffee. But anyway, we'll see how the day goes. Right now I'm heading to church, so yeah, I'll see you guys after church. We'll see what we get up to. Okay, alright. Okay, bye. Guess who's early to church, guys? I'm literally on time. It's like a minute to 9 and the service starts at 9. I mean, October, what are you doing? White toast. Yeah, it's me, Tracy. I'm back with a bang again. Yes, I didn't do my makeup, so please don't mind my face. I'm having like a breakout. So, the lights are full. Hi guys, how are you babies? So joined by Leon, my baby. So we're back from breakfast and yeah, we had such an amazing time. Honestly, the food proportion was exquisite. The service was fine as well. So now we're just rushing to a client. Honestly, we sort of came. I thought but I'm happy. For 25 bucks.
Just 25 bucks, guys.
Dude,
oh my god.
with a coffee.
If only I knew this on the 30th. Show me. Every day.
Our bill was literally 150
for 6 heads. Guys, where do you get breakfast for 6 heads for 150? Show me. Okay. So yeah.
Hi guys. Hey, but the lighting is good. Hi guys, today is a Monday. Why are you hiding? You. Okay, anyway, we're heading to Airport Junction. Dry is gonna buy. Hatora Kanzan. Dai. Yeah, Dra's gonna buy like a hair dye. And are you guys buying anything? Oh, I'm with cousin Dry and Liam. Anyway, so yeah, Leon. Can't you say I can get talk with Liam? Leon.
That's Leon.
Yes. I don't know why. Anyway, yeah, I think that's what we're gonna buy, and we'll see when we get there. But today I'm not buying anything, guys. Seriously. Anyway, bye. Hi. One day at the mall is tiring. It's like 30 minutes in the mall. It's exhausting. But anyway, we managed. Chocolate time, guys. Rod got me a chocolate. Hi guys, so yeah, we got food. Hey, all the time. How they came on? Yeah, the family meal thing. So we're gonna head over to Rod's house to eat. Guys, Rod is looking at his crush. Stop staring. Bye, catch you later. Hi guys, I feel like this vlog, I've been studying like every day in the car.
Because you're always on the move, you're always on the go.
Yeah. Anyway, today is Wednesday. I was supposed to post a vlog today, but clearly things didn't go well. So I'll post it tomorrow in the morning. But anyway, today is Wednesday and we are literally by Game City now. We're about to look for packing. I'm with Dry. So yeah, we just want to get in Clicks and look for a couple of things. I also want to get like a waxing, I don't know, waxing something, because I actually want to wax my armpits. I am tired of using creams and I can't use shaving sticks because I grow keloids and look at that then. And I'm just tired of that. Okay, yeah, I can't use shaving sticks because my skin is super sensitive and I don't like shaving creams. I really don't. So yeah, I want to look for waxing thing because my armpits are not looking nice at all. Like the last time I used a shaving stick, I wasn't okay, basically. So yeah, in the parking lot now. We're gonna look for stuff. I think some of Riley's chili cheese. Yeah, I think that's it. Catch you guys when we're inside the mall. Hi guys. So we are from Spa. We got a couple of things in the end. I decided to get this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a 3 hot wing and fries thing from Spa.
For 13 bahts, just. Imagine. 30.95.
Oh, that is a smell. I'll show you guys on the screen. But yeah, that's literally how much this was. Imagine. Yeah, and my first time spam when I had to share. So we're gonna eat in the car. Yeah, we got tissues for Riley, glue stick for Riley, strawberries for Riley,
Bananas.
yeah, bananas for Riley, Chelsea buns for the house. Finally. Oreos for me.
For the house, guys. For the house.
Handy Andy for the house.
Alright.
Red tribes for Riley. Imagine. And packets of sweets for the house. I love jelly babies. Yeah. Oof. I hope it's not noisy outside. It's probably noisy.
There's just too much movement going on.
Yeah, I think this is better. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have a fries. Rod got a cheese burger pie.
I wanted mackerel, but when I saw this, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go for cheese burger.
Hi guys, so it's later on in the day and I just thought I should wrap up the video and yeah, show you some stuff. So this is what we got earlier. One has to go to school, Riley's school, as well as this one is for home usage. This is the brand that I prefer. Also got body mist, and then I got these wax strips to try. It's gonna be my first time trying it, so we'll see how it goes. I thought I was gonna do it in this vlog, but I guess it's gonna be in my next vlog because yeah, I'm currently cooking, so I don't have much time. Anyway, that's that. Hi guys, again. So it's later on in the day and like I said, I want to wrap up the video. So I just thought I should show you guys, like, remember in my other video, hold on, remember in my other vlog where I said I got like new stuff that I wanted to show you guys? Yeah, so this is it. So I went to some store in on your way to Habane. It's by the Choppies complex thing in by Tola Masese. So there's a shop on the right, like when you're from inside the Choppies going out, there's a Choppies on your, there's a Chinese store on your right. I forgot the name, but yeah, this is where I got 4 of these items that I'm gonna show you guys. So the first item is these jeans. I actually purchased over jeans. Yeah, I was shocked as well, but the fit is perfect. Yeah, it has some, you know, some loose things. I guess that's why it ended up being in a Chinese store. But yeah, this is how the jeans look. I'm gonna insert a picture of my cousin wearing the jeans because she bought the same pair of jeans. This one doesn't have a size, so I don't know. I used the Holy Spirit to check if it's gonna fit me. So it is a skinny jean, and yeah, it's super stretchy. So this was 69 pula in the Chinese store that I'm talking about. Yeah, so going around the shop, I also saw another other Fashion Hover jean in black. Same thing. Yeah, no size, but this one is called like a number 3 or something like that. I don't know if this is a size or what, but yeah, this is how it looks. It's also a skinny jean. Has a button, it has stuff. Yeah, it pretty much fits like the other blue one. So yeah, it's also a skinny jean. It's so stretchy as well. Yeah, it's perfect, exactly what you need. This is it. And then hold on. So yeah, that's that with the jeans. So the next item is this. These are actually, I don't know if I should say trending, but yeah, I know a lot of people have these. I also got them in the same store, the same Chinese store. These are, I don't know if they call them faux leather, but yeah, these are the ones I wore to church on Sunday. So yeah, I'll insert a little clip for you guys. Yeah, these are so cute. These snatch, like they literally snatch everything you have. Okay, and guess how much these were? Guess. Take a wild guess. You guessed wrong, honey. These were 20 bucks. Literally 20 pula. In the same store, same Chinese store. So yeah, I love these. So yeah, the next item, guys, excuse Riley and my little cousin making noise in the other room. Yeah, but the last item is this jumpsuit. I think you guys remember it from a wedding I attended, I think in my last vlog, if not the other one. I got in a size 12. It's actually a Kelso, yeah, Kelso from Edgar's, that one. Yeah, those jumpsuits that I wore. It has a belt, it's super cute, it's nude. I mean, you know, it came with a price tag and an extra button in case something happens. So yeah, this was the price tag that was attached to this jumpsuit, but I actually got it for 49 pula. 49 pula. I was actually by the till, so if it's still there, you won't miss it. Okay, so yeah, I got this in a size 12 because they only had a size 12, 14 and 16, so this was the smallest size they had. And I thought, why not, right? Yeah, so the last item I got was this really cute, this super cute bikini. It's a bikini set. I love it. It has a little tailor there, like that little thing. It's really nice. It's in a, I think a pinkish color. Yeah, it's a pinkish color. Yeah, this is really nice. I love it. This is how the back looks. I'm not gonna fit this, like I'm not gonna do a trial on for this, but yeah, you guys get the picture. This is how the panty looks. It's kind of like a, I think it's a G-string bikini. Yeah, so this is how the back looks. This is the front. I didn't tie it because I washed it. Yeah, so this is how this looks. Super cute. The strings, I guess, you tie the strings to the sides. Yeah, so this particular bikini I got from Royal Park. It's literally opposite Mr. Price in Royal Park. Yeah, so the very first Chinese store in Royal Park with the entrance, yeah, trippies. Yeah, so that's where I got this bikini, and it was 20 pula. Unfortunately, it was the only one that I saw. I think Chinese stores just generally have that thing because I got some. Well, let me show you guys the bikinis that I'm talking about now. The last item is this bikini. This is the panty, also in a size large, from the same store. Yeah, this is how it looks. I think these go on the side. This is how, I hope I'm holding it correctly, but yeah, this is how the bikini looks. This is the panty. Yeah, so that was the panty. This is how the top looks. So this one is for like some of us with little little boobies. Yeah, this is the front part of the bra. This is the back part of the bra. So it's practically backless. Only has that one strap there. Was also written size large, but like I'm saying, I can always tell what fits me and what doesn't just from looking at it. So yeah, these two bikinis I got from Budrep, the purple one as well as the white one, and I believe I paid 110 for both of them. It was 55 pula each. We just randomly got in the shop at the time. I was looking for a wig cap and we just saw bikinis. We're like, wow, okay, it was a whole trunk. We just dug in, and yeah, this is what I came with. I was actually with Adri's, but she didn't have any sizes, so yeah, I picked up these. And like I'm saying, they're always in like single bikinis. Like you could never find the same thing from the same store in a different size. So I don't know why, but once in a while you do find like bulk bikinis. But yeah, keep trying your luck. So yeah, I just thought I could plug you guys, let you guys know what I got recently. And I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope you guys are super happy. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. You guys, like, 2020 has just been a drag. 2020 has been a drag, guys, and I hope we're all praying. I hope we're all covering ourselves with the blood of Jesus. I hope we're all praying like nobody's business. Okay, yeah, I just thought I could conclude that way. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you will keep connected, keep praying, keep worshiping, and don't lose hope. Okay, no matter what happens, there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. I hope you enjoyed this one, and yeah, leave me a comment in the comment section. And yeah, if there's something that you want to ask or anything, I'm waiting to answer. Okay, so yeah, bye guys.